Hey guys, for the next 3 Wednesdays, Barb wants to share a little of her Daniel Fast journey with you. This is Robert. Today, it'll be a surprise for her that I've done the voiceover. Today, she's taking you shopping and showing how to prep a salad in a jar. Yes, I see she's taking you shopping. There's our son turning away from the camera, just as you would expect a 16-year-old to do. They don't like to be videotaped. Not at work. Okay, now we're going to go to the meat department. No meat on our diet. This is the Daniel Fast, so we're looking at squash noodles. Man, I never heard of that. Any of you guys heard of squash noodles? Well, here we are looking though at other vegetables that I do know. Peppers, green, yellow. We're looking at squash. We're looking at mushrooms. Here we got some pre-packaged assorted vegetables, asparagus. Great on the grill. We're looking at the greens, the areas there, lettuce. Again, the asparagus. We got squash. We got dill. Now Barb's taking you to 6 bean medley. Wow, that's a lot of beans, I'm going to tell you. But we're going to up that number a little later in the video. Beans are good for this diet. They're one of the main things. Now, as you know, you got to have some flavor on a fast, on a special diet. And here's our flavor. Thyme, chive, dill. You got it. We've got sage, bay lemons for the flavoring. Lobster. I don't know. How did that get in the picture? We're not going to be doing lobster. That's not part of the diet, Barbara. Fruit. We got fruit. Any kind of fruit. All the fruit that you can just about imagine. Wonderful fruit. Grapes. Melon. Now, again, we're looking at that 6 bean medley. And as I told you, we're going to up the number in just a second. Here we go. Focus. It is 15 bean soup. My goodness, is that enough beans for you? So she's got things set up here at the house now in the kitchen for her preparation. All the different beans you can see there, navy, black. She's again focusing for me, I guess, on the 15 beans. Rice, my favorite brown rice, again for my special diet. This fast, though, is going to be one of a kind for the first of the year for us, for 21 days. And again, that 6 bean medley, we're looking forward to that. Steamed. Our fruit, she's laid out. The vegetables, we just passed looking at the fruit again. And here we are looking at the dressing. That's our favorite balsamic, the low sodium. We have lime, we got lemon for our drinks. Our drink is water. That's pretty much all we can have. So we're going to flavor it. Lime and lemon. We got apple cider vinegar. She even has a foam topping for coffee. We're all allowed to have black coffee. So again, we're looking at what she set up, the packaged mushrooms and the celery and garlic, the lettuce and the carrots, the potatoes, sweet potatoes, squash, all the vegetables that we can eat, we're going to have, that's for sure. We got the onions, red onions. We are just about ready. Just about ready. And again, we're looking at that salad dressing, so it's time to make our salads. I'm telling you, take a look at this. We got 4 jars here, and no, we're not going to play a game of find the P under the proper 1 out of 4 tops. We're actually making a salad. Layered salad, starting off with our peppers. It's layer number 1. Layer number 2. Barbara's going to add additional layers of peppers and onions. We're building that salad, 4 identical salads. Fruit has been added. Favorite blueberries, strawberries, and now she's putting in the lettuce layer. What is that, layer number 10? Well, I think we're probably up to 5 layers. And we're going to then bring in, let's see what's coming up next. Okay, that's enough lettuce, Barbara. My goodness gracious. We're not rabbits. Okay, here's our next layer of nuts. And we're talking crushed almonds. Natural almonds, no salt. Very good for you. Jar number 2. Come on, jar number 3. And lastly, jar number 4. Coming up, there we go. And we got our salads all set up. She's gonna add the dressing in them, top them off with the top and put them in the refrigerator, get them cool and ready for eating. There you see they are, and there's our salad. It is dinner time, time to eat. Thanks everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you like what you see, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye-bye.